Judgment Day will be equal to 50,000 years if we compare it to our lives. After Judgment Day, our lives will be eternal. Now, you should think about the value of our lives in the afterlife in comparison to the short life we have on Earth. Hellfire, if a stone dropped in it, it would only arrive at its bottom after 70 years. Paradise, on the other hand, as mentioned in the Quran, is as wide as the heavens and the earth. As we know nowadays that the entire universe is composed of billions of galaxies, and each galaxy has 300 billion stars and planets, and some of the stars are a billion times as large as our planet. If the human eye could count the stars in the universe, it would need millions of men just to count them. Just like what Prophet Muhammad said, that the last person to exit hellfire after being punished here because of his sins on earth that were not forgiven, he will still have a place in paradise that is 10 times as big as planet Earth. Paradise is filled with pleasure, and some of the greatest honors in paradise that will be given to man are trees, fruits, beautiful women, and everything that man desires. Married couples in this world will become married couples in paradise, as long as they believed in Allah and did righteous deeds. Other than their wives in this world, the men will also have wives from among the women of paradise. There are 4 kinds of rivers in paradise: rivers of water, rivers of non-intoxicating liquor, rivers of pure milk, and rivers of honey. Houses of paradise will be made of blocks of gold and silver, adorned with pearls and diamonds that are perfumed with musk as materials for its foundation. On the other hand, hellfire is filled with pain and scorching fire. Every time a man is burned, he shall be given new skin for him to continually feel the punishment. They will be fed with filthy food, and among these are pus, and they will drink boiling water that will scald their stomachs. After this, he will be returned to normal to feel the pain again by drinking boiling water. You can choose your destination, paradise or hellfire. Real salvation lies in the surrender and obedience of your will to your Creator, Allah. It means that you should follow His orders as the essence of Islam. We have to follow our Lord's orders according to the methodology of His more than 124,000 prophets, including Abraham, Moses, Jesus, and the last and final prophet, Prophet Muhammad. If you understood this message, then do not delay to bear witness, as we do not know when the Creator will send forth the angel of death to take our souls. Death may overtake us while we have not made any decision yet. Every year, more than 1 million people die. Every day, more than 150,000 people die, which means that 6,000 people die every hour, and 100 people die every minute. Because of this, do not delay in bearing witness in the oneness of one true God. Do it now.